Hi everyone. Today I'd like to share lots of information with you about how to create beautiful tails on birds. You'll also see how to prepare your bird so it's ready for attachment of the feathers. Starting with a small bird, you'll learn how to build a convex tail with the bird facing the front. You'll also see how to support the tail and why. The second bird is of a medium size, and the tail has a side view with long narrow feathers, which are usually a bit of a challenge at times. I'll show you a technique for cutting these tail feathers, which when you apply it to this bird or any other bird with a similar tail, it comes together easily and is really effective. The last bird is very large and has a spectacular fan tail, which is also slightly concave. You will learn how to smooth down the ridges on the edges after cutting the pieces out, and how to keep track of your feathers, even though they appear similar, being all white. This tail is amazing, as you will see when it's completed.